So hi guys, this is Friendly Advice again. So I just had my shower, feels so great at my camping trip at Killarney. So I will give you a tour of the showers and the washroom. We drove in our car to the comfort station. There are several other small washrooms that you can go near the campsites, but we just like to come to the major one, the main one, I would say. And there's nice showers and washroom, and hand soaps are available. You obviously have to bring your shower accessories, which usually I recommend packing in a plastic bag so you can just hang it in the shower. So hi guys, I just had my shower, so I wanted to give you a tour of the showers at Killarney Park. So here is shower number 3, and we're gonna open it right now. So okay, so you hold the door for me please. And then there is the shower. So there is 3 hangers, so you can hang your clothes, or I usually bring a plastic bag and put my clothes in it, and there's a sitting area where you can sit and change. And there is this shower right here, and it's an automatic shower, so you press the button and then shower turns on and it will turn off by itself. So it's pretty decent shower. They do clean it every day. There is a garbage bin as well, so it's very good. So this is a comfort station. It has several showers. I think there's 6 showers. One is out of order, but there is 6 showers, and there is some men's washroom here, and there is women's washroom right here. Right here, you can go washroom in there, and there's several washrooms, and there's cook. So the way I pack my toiletries for the camping is I usually put it in something that's plastic and that's, waterproof, so you can just wipe it off if it gets dirty. You can even do it in Ziploc bags so everything is see-through, but I just got something nicer, so a compact bag where I have all my hair ties, my comb in there, and personal hygiene stuff. I always carry a nail cutter, very important, and some toothpicks and Q-tips and everything. And same thing I do with my brushing and everything, so it's all same. So the way I pack my toothbrush and toothpaste, you know how you can get these bags at Dollarama, very, very cheap. So it's very good because you can hang it in the washroom. I have a couple of ideas. So you know how you have empty water bottles at your campsite? You can put your brush in there. So I have one brush in there, which is very easy for each person. You can have different labels. Or you can get toothbrush where you can put the toothbrush in the brush cover, right like this. Right here. So this is a toothbrush cover. I always keep a little face towel because when you go in the morning, you can clean your face, wipe it, very little towel. And I have my toothpaste. I did bring big one this time, but I would recommend bringing one big or one small for sure in case you lose this, or bring 2, 3 small ones, which are easy. And there you go. And there's this toothbrush right here. And this bag, mesh bag, very, very handy to put all your toiletries and hang it in the towel. And this one, what I meant was, see, look, how you can just put it in the bottle. So if somebody's got to go, they can just take the bottle. And if you put the little toothpaste, you can probably stick it in there as well. And one person can go easily.